Hi you guys! Remember when I said I wasn't buying any more scrapbook stuff? Here I am with another haul. So I actually made this purchase from scrapbook.com based on a necessity. If you've been watching my December daily content, I needed a new December daily album. I'm also working on another album I needed another album for, and some page protectors, and then I just got a couple little things that were extra. So let's break it down and I will show you guys everything I got. So like I said, I got another December daily album. It's the Echo Park 6x8 album with the white snowflakes on the red cardstock album. And as you can see, I've already filled it up with my pages because they've been just sitting in a pile on my desk. I didn't have enough room for them in one album by a landslide, so I got another one. And as of recording this, I'm done with my December daily, and I'm just catching up on the voiceovers and posting the videos for you guys. So this is just additional 6x8 album. Next December, I plan on getting the Ali Edwards really wide spined December daily album. So I hopefully won't have to do 2 albums again. Similarly, I'm working on a baby book or like childhood album using old photos from my childhood, and I'm doing it in this pink album that I've talked about before. I don't super love it. It's kind of an ugly color, but I already started with this color, so I decided I would just continue with it. So I just got another one of these because I've already filled the first one pretty full. And the other album I'm working on right now is my 2020 yearly album. So I don't make project lifestyle albums, like weekly pocket page stuff. I just make an album each year that I fill with whatever photos and stories I want. And I, in the past, did 12x12. In the last year, I did 6x8, and I'm doing 6x8 again this year. I am all caught up on my 2021 album, and I'm to date pretty much on my 2022 album. So now I'm going back and working on my 2020, and I'm doing it in a 12x12 binder album, like a ring album. So I got myself a 50 pack of 12x12 page protectors from scrapbook.com. So that was another essential. So those are my 3 essential purchases. And then of course, I had to grab a couple fun things. So I saw the magic mat during Christmas time, and they were offering it as a freebie during Christmas, like during December. And I didn't get it because I thought it was for a Cricut machine, and I don't have a cutting machine. But then I found out it's for a die cutting machine. And I have one of those. I bought a Sizzix Big Shot, right? Sizzix? For some reason it sounds wrong. I bought it on Facebook Marketplace during like the pandemic, and like during the heat of the pandemic. I guess we're still in the pandemic, but I bought it and it came with one of the plates very, very warped. And basically the magic mat is meant to be a plate that you can replace so that it doesn't get warped or something. So I got that. And then I saw someone, I think it might have been Rachel Tellman, who makes like sequin mixes and also just shares her scrapbook stuff. She showed this beautiful Nouveau like glimmer mist or something. So anyway, Rachel showed this and I thought it was gorgeous, and it was out of stock, but then it came back into stock. It is the Nouveau Sparkle Spray, ideal for adding luxurious glittery finish to a creative project. It is beautiful. I can try and give you guys like maybe like a swatch on some white paper, but it's just like color shine, I think. Like, how do you spell color shine? It's just like gorgeous, like metallic lavender. So the color is Lavender Lining, and it's beautiful. It's probably not coming out very well on camera, but it's just gorgeous. So I had to have it. Purple is my second favorite color. And then I also got this, which is Berry Blue Nouveau Drops. So I'm not going to swatch it because I'd have to take the... Oh, actually, maybe it doesn't have a plug. What the heck? Oh, it doesn't have a plug. It's just so beautiful. I mean, this is literally a clear bottle. I didn't need to swatch it, but I've been using my Nouveau drops, so I decided I could get myself another color. So I got those 2. And then the bags that these come in, I've talked about this before. I love these. They're like super, super high quality Ziploc bags. So I like to save it for storing ephemera or like loose die cuts or things like that. So I save these. It's a little eco-friendly of me. So anyways, and then I got this pack of tags from Heidi Swapp. I always love tags and I can't get enough of them. I don't really ever use the string that comes with it. It's this weird like material that I don't really like, but it's just a bunch of different tags. I love this size tag. They feel like a travel themed ish, and they kind of look like, which collection? Oh, what is it called? Oh, I can't think of the name of the collection, but I've seen it a lot. So anyways, I got that. I thought that'd be fun to use. I definitely get a lot of use out of my tags. It's one of my favorite embellishments. And then the last thing was this stamp set. So this was very low in stock. It's a Catherine Pooler stamp set, 4x6 stamp set. And if you know, I am super obsessed with roller skating. I got into it. I've rollerbladed when I was a kid, but I got into roller skating again. December 2020, I bought myself roller skates for Christmas. And then I've been loving it. And I got my boyfriend roller skates for his graduation, and we all love roller skating. And recently I had a birthday, and for my birthday, my family and I and our friends went to a roller skating rink. So when I saw this stamp set that's a happy birthday roller skate theme, I just had to have it. And I've been collecting like a bunch of different roller skating stickers and embellishments, so I thought a stamp set would be so perfect because you could just keep using it. So that's the last thing I got. I'm super excited about it. I will be trying to record some of my 2022 yearly album layout processes. I probably won't record all of them. It's one of those projects I like to just work on, relax, and not worry about filming or anything like that. But I will definitely be using these in those layouts, and also just all of my, I'll be using these in the birthday layouts, but I'll definitely just be using these in all of my roller skating content in the future. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you won't be seeing more hauls from me. I've been really trying, but I needed some stuff, got some fun stuff, kept it pretty simple. If you've seen my past hauls, this is like very, very small. So compared to that, so we're making progress at least. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.